Hey, it's Dave from Arts Nursery again. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about moss control. Right now it's the middle of April. I have taken 2 cuts off my lawn. I've doloprilled. I waited a week, I fertilized, and now I'm going to probably start looking at my moss problem, which is everyone's problem. And here's a couple of products that we can actually use. The first one is a granular moss killer. And it has a little bit of lawn fertilizer in it too. Spread with a spreader. Have to be a little bit more careful with this product because it will have a tendency to fly out and cover more than what you need. Whereas I prefer the liquid stuff, which you hook up to a hose and just walk across your lawn. I walk backwards, so I'm not spraying it on myself. And you just want to read the label on the back for the application rates and just keep dogs and pets off your lawn for a day. With this product, you'll notice that in about half an hour, the moss that you've sprayed will start to turn brown, and you know that you've started killing it. So what I do is I wait a couple days till it's completely dead, and then I take a nice spring rake, fan rake, and I just give the grass where the moss is a light rake out and suck it up with my lawnmower. I'm all about using machines, but unfortunately the rake works the best. It doesn't damage the lawn, but gets all that dead moss out of your lawn. So part 2 of our video is I have a lot of customers coming in and wanting to fix bare spots in their lawn that have died back either from animals or just winter kill. And so I've got a roll of sod right here that we sell at the nursery. I encourage people to pre-book their orders because it does move quickly this time of the year. And so we have a bare patch that I'm going to try to get the grass to fill back in again and just fix it up so it looks good for the rest of the year. So here we are. I found the bare spot that you just saw. I've got a roll of sod. I laid it out over the bare spot so it actually blends into the original grass and cuts off with the gravel there, which is going to be the end of my lawn. So now I'm going to take a nice sharp shovel and just cut out all the way around the lawn. Okay, so I've cut around with my sharp shovel all the way around the edge. I now peel back the turf and I start scooping it out. So once you've got it all cut out and you get the right depth, so when you put your lawn back in, it matches up to your existing lawn. I use a little seed and sod starter. This small container that we sell is perfect for doing these jobs. You just sprinkle it in and then take your roll of turf, put it in, give it a light tap down, and that's how you mend spots in your lawn. And make sure while it's nice too, like you water it. Being fresh turf, you need to water it once a day. Don't worry about the miscolor. In time, your grass will catch up to your existing lawn in color. Well, thanks very much for watching. I encourage you guys to come down to the nursery, bring some pictures of your lawn. I'm here Monday to Friday. And you know, hopefully I can solve them for you, get your lawn looking good again. And just remember to be patient with your lawn. It is kind of a work in progress. It won't be perfect overnight. And have fun doing it. Thanks for watching Dave at Arts Nursery, 8940 192nd Street.